have this fabulous, awesome home here, all brick, hardwood floors, tons of updates, perfect for the move-up buyer coming into this area. If you have a house to sell, you want to move up to this house, we have the guaranteed sale program. Move up to this house, we'll buy your home cash. And stay tuned for more inside pictures of this fabulous home in Alton Village.
Thank you for watching our video. I'm Allison Walsh with Guaranteed Real Estate Services, and I'm very proud of our company. We support Juravinski Cancer Patient Care in Hamilton. It's an organization that helps cancer patients during, before, and after treatment. And how we support them is that on every home that we sell, a portion of our commission goes directly to Juravinski. So if you're thinking of making a move, call us. You're going to get great service and you're going to help cancer patients. So give us a call at 905-332-2207 and have yourself a great day.